Hey guys, Maridi again here from Skype, as usual, reviewing everything that is on Skype.co.ke. And today we are doing a vacuum cleaner, and this is quite different. Maybe this one I'll talk a bit even without, before I open up the box. So this is a vacuum cleaner from Total. This is actually codeless, meaning that is rechargeable. And maybe something worth noting is that this particular Total, the Total, what do you call it? The Total ecosystem of products, it's quite good. I've actually learned to love what they're doing with their ecosystems. You'll find that if this particular gadget is using a 20-volt lithium battery, you'll find other of their products are using the same. So you'll find maybe something like a saw, something else like a drill, you know, all their ecosystems. You can find all their products on Skype.co.ke. We have all their products listed over there. You'll find most of their products will use the same kind of battery that is used here, and their ecosystem is quite good. Like products can be used. Such kind of a battery can be used with other products, just in case you have some. So guys, this is it. So this it's a cordless vacuum cleaner. I'm going to unbox it a little bit for you. It's a 0.8 liter capacity model, and as you can see, even the packaging is really good. It's really easy to, maybe even portable, very easy. So guys, I'm going to unbox it. It has a few accessories. So these are the power accessories. It comes with a free charger. It comes with a charger. I think most of high-end maybe products don't come with a charger, but this one comes with a charger. Here's a battery over here. So this is a really nice battery. You can use it in almost all the Total ecosystem products. There's a user manual over here. Here's a brush, as you can see, and it's actually made with really flexible technology. And this particular one is actually really nice on your carpets and all that. It's able to, you know, dust them comfortably and efficiently. So this is the main motor over here, and the fact that this particular part is detachable from. Let me show you. It's detachable from its main long tube. It's easy to work with, to dust even simple, what do you call it, simple places, or easy to work with on a small scale, so to say. Like for instance, if I was to vacuum an edge of a small edge, I don't really need to connect both of them. I just need to connect that particular part, and I can be able to lift it up. Since it's not heavy, I can easily use it on the, maybe something like window blinds. It's easy to use, I mean. So basically you just connect the the battery over here, like this, and it will show you over here if the battery is full or not full, and basically you just turn it on by pressing a button like that, and it's already started working. It has two settings. There's the maximum setting, and there's a higher settings and a low setting, and as easy as what do you call this? You can easily remove what you are vacuuming by just opening this lid over there, so it's bagless. You don't need to have a bag to use this particular piece, and its pieces are easily detachable like that. It also comes with another brush. Maybe this one will be good, maybe for the window blinds, or maybe your coach or your seats, something like that. And there's this long tube over here. That you can easily work on. Like that, and you're able to vacuum comfortably, just like that, as you can see over here. And easy as that, you're able to do the vacuuming. And increase the speed like that, or maybe turn it off like that. You can easily remove the gadgets like this. You just open up the locks and pull it out like that. And something else, it also comes with a bracket. So this one you can easily mount it on the wall somewhere, and you can always have a resting place for this. You can mount it on the wall, and you can always now let it rest over there. So it's easy to, it doesn't consume your space. It doesn't take up much space like the canister ones, or maybe where am I going to put it? You can always mount it at the wall. And yeah, so guys, something maybe that comes up a little bit is the size of this. And I always tell guys that when you're vacuuming, remember that the particles are very little, the ones that you're pulling out of maybe a sofa or what. So there's usually sufficient storage for that. You don't need a big tank, like scooping tank for just vacuuming. This is actually sufficient for all that work. So guys, this is it for the Total cordless vacuum cleaner. And remember, it comes with a charger that you can just plug in like that, and you can always charge the battery. So guys, that's it for the Total vacuum cleaner. Head out on skype.co.ke. you will see more functions, or you see more maybe technical specifications for this that I might not be able to explain right now, but basically that's it for the Total vacuum cleaner. So guys, see you next time for another video.